All right, guys, let's do it. This is my first glueless wig. I'm putting it on myself. You know, I don't really do this for real. So, let me get my angle right. This is from UNA. Supposed to be able to just, okay, unplugged cap, and it came with like this little goodie bag full of goodies. Look, they do that big one. They send you the wig, the cap, a goodie bag, little headband. This is cute. I ain't gonna put it on right now. But I know this is cute. What else we got? A little scrunchie. Okay, with the clips. Always need clips. And oh, some more clips. All it is. Y'all better run and get this. Let me tell you. Goodie bag plus the wig. So, I got my little products here. You know what I'm saying? A little lace behind. Alright, so let's tie this little band down. Trying to lay this lace. Okay, so I have the wig on now. It's very soft and easy to brush, not tangly. Definitely worth the value. I recommend this wig for anyone who is wanting a quick glueless wig to throw on and go out. You know, I highly recommend. Very flowy, real inches. All right, guys.